You can't access authenticity, let alone authentic gratitude, when your nervous system is in a state of survival, otherwise known as fight, flight, freeze, or fawn. And the reason why that is because when our system, meaning the body, is in a dysregulated state, it creates what's called cognitive distortion. The part of your brain that is responsible for logic and reasoning, the blood flow that normally goes to that area of the brain is shuttled to other parts of the brain and other parts of the body to fuel that survival. So all along we've had it backwards. Change your mindset, change your life. When the reality of it is, it's change your state, change your story. I hope to see you in this upcoming gratitude challenge. Change your state, change your story.